Hi there, Premiere Guy here. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the razor tool. So, let's open up Premiere Pro. Before we get started, you can download the footage that I am using today from Pexels Videos and videvo.net. I'll put the links in the description for you all. We have this sequence with the rain and the turtle swimming in the ocean. Nice, isn't it? Let's get into it. Go to the toolbar and choose the razor tool, or the keyboard shortcut is C. Let me explain what the razor tool does first. The razor tool allows us to split the clip into parts, so we can take away unwanted parts easily. There are 3 ways of doing this. The first way is just by clicking and choosing where you want the cuts to be, as I am doing it at the moment. We can now move them individually with the selection tool, and not as a one-whole clip. Pretty good, hey? We can also split the video or the audio source by holding down the Alt key and click to split. As you can see, we are cutting them, and they are now individual clips. We can now move them as separate clips. If we want to get rid of a section of a clip, we can, by selecting the part of the clip that we have already split and pressing delete. That part is gone in our timeline, and we have to just now move the rest of our video clips back to sit next to the previous clips. The final way of using the razor tool is holding the Shift key to split the video and the audio clips in every track. This can be really handy if you have a lot of tracks in your sequence. We can see that there is a white line moving vertically across in the sequence. This line follows our cursor, which means that when we click, the razor tool is going to split the clips in every track. That's it. You have now learned how to use the razor tool in Premiere Pro. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.